Why do you look so pale?
Really?
Yes, you do. Your face is different.
I am not feeling well. I don't want to eat.
What happens to you?
I have a problem with my boyfriend. He wants to break up our relationship. I still love him, but he has changed.
Just because of that? Why are you so stupid?
What do you mean? Why do you call me stupid?
Yes, you are stupid. You hurt yourself just because of a boy.
You don't know how it feels. I still love him, but he has changed. You never love a boy, so you don't understand my feeling.
Of course, I understand your feeling. I am also a girl who has a love, but I am never like you, hanging your life to a boy.
So what should I do? Can you give me advice?
I know you really love him, but does he have the same feeling like you?
What I know is that he also loves me.
If he loves you, he will not hurt you like this. He is not the only boy in this world. You can get someone far better than him, so you should keep smiling.
I think you were right. I should keep smiling. Thanks for your advice.
I hope he will be better now. Why do you choose to go to Indonesia?
I visited most of the tourism countries. Only Indonesia I haven't visited yet. And I heard Indonesia is a good place to visit.
What kind of business will you do there? As I know, you are very busy with your old business. Will you leave your company?
I'm following someone. I heard he also will go to Indonesia. So this is a good chance for me. I've asked my sister to take care of my company until I'm back.
Who are you spying on?
My boyfriend.
What? Are you crazy? Why do you spy on your boyfriend?
I think he is hiding something from me.
Are you sure this is right?
Of course this is right. I just want to prove if he lies or not to me.
Whom will you go with?
I'll go by myself.
How long do you think you will be there?
Depend on the situation, but will be not more than 2 weeks.
Okay, enjoy your holiday then.
Thank you. Good morning, Mom. What are you doing? I am cooking rice and preparing food for your breakfast. What do you cook today, Mom? I cook fried rice and other specials menu. Why do you come to the kitchen and ask me? I am sure there is something you want. How can you know? Of course, you are my daughter, so I know anything about you. Tell me what you want. You are the best mother in this world. Oh, come on, don't praise me like that. I am shy. But you are really the best mother. Tell me what you want before I change my mind. I want to ask your permission. Tonight I will go out with my boyfriend. Is it okay? Where will you go? We will watch a movie. All right then, but you should be careful. Don't watch until late. Sure, Mom. Thank you very much. When did you first love someone?
I first fell in love when I was in junior high school.
How was your feeling?
I was extremely happy, especially when she was around me.
Did you sometimes feel jealous?
Yes, very often I was afraid that she would leave me.
Do you still keep in touch with her now?
No, but sometimes I miss her very much.
Where is she now?
She got married with someone from overseas.
Do you want to meet her someday?
Yes, I often pray that I can meet once again before I die. Hi, where are you going?
I want to go to the library. Why do you ask me so?
Do you have time? I want to talk to you.
Talk with me? What do you want to talk about?
But please tell me, do you want to talk to me?
But you should tell me first, what do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about my feeling to you.
What do you mean?
I have admired you since a long time, but I am afraid to declare it. I think now is the good time to tell you.
So you mean that you love me? But during this time, you act so rude to me. I don't believe that you love me.
I do that because I am jealous knowing you have got a special relationship with Greg.
I don't have any relationship with anyone. You are really mysterious.
Really? But why are you always with him?
That is because we are library members.
So, I misunderstand. But would you like to accept my love?
Oh, give me time. I should think about it first.